part 7 of these solo leveling packs. Let's see what we pull today. So far, all my hits haven't been duplicates. Let's see if that changes with this pack. And it doesn't. Let's go.
They do in Texas, please. Fold 'em, let 'em hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Check back tomorrow for part 8.
I'll get